All right, so today I'm going to show you how to get to French online reading resources for your child. So first you're going to go to comoxvalleyschools.ca and it'll bring you to our home page. You are going to scroll down and you can click on Students. Once you've clicked on Students, you're going to choose Destiny Library Search over here on the right-hand side. That will bring up a new page, which then brings you to all of our schools. And in the upper right-hand corner, you're going to click on Login. Now your login will be the username and password that I have sent you in this email. So you'll input that information, click Login. Once you've logged in, here you can get to our Overdrive Digital Library. So you're going to click on our Overdrive Digital Library and it takes you to the school district's virtual library. So here you can get all different sorts of read-alongs. You can get online books, but specifically today we want French books. So if you go to collections, you can go down to French resources. And here you have different French resources. Now, if it is gray in the corner, that means that it has been taken out of the library. So there is only a certain amount that you can borrow at a time. But if the book is black, then you are free to borrow them. So here we are. I suggest these books here. They are Pauline et Suzanne. They're very simple, easy to understand. So if we click on one, I click borrow right away. You can go to checkout. So you can take out up to 10 different books. Go to checkout. And then I would click on read in browser. So once you've clicked on read in browser, here you have the book. At the bottom, I found this kind of hard to see, but it does say start narration. So you'll click on start narration. And the first page is a little loud for some reason. But once you are here,
Maman dit,
there
Paul,
you are.
viens prendre un bain. Suzanne, viens prendre un bain.
Now what I would suggest
mets la
is
main
having your
dans
child make sure that their hand is underneath each word as they read.
Non, maman, c'est trop chaud.
So once you're done, you can push pause. To get out of there, you just simply exit the page and it'll bring you back to the ones that you've checked out. I suggest returning it right away because we only have a certain amount of books to be borrowed. If you have them, then it'll only expire in 21 days and then it doesn't allow other children to read those books as well. So once you are done reading the book, return the title, confirm that you're done, and there you are. So there are other books on here, but specifically for your child, French immersion resources are all right here. You can also kind of sort through things based on different subjects and where they are available. So that is how you get read-along books in French. All right. Thanks for listening, guys.